Okay, class. So our next topic is about the for loop, no? So for loop, no? So ang ating for loop, basically halos katulad din siya ng ating while statement, no? Or while looping, while function. Ang gamit lang natin sa kanya ay we are just simply going to be using the for loop function. So let me just show you the syntax of the for loop. Initially, lagay natin dito yung for function, tapos lagyan natin dito open and close parenthesis followed by curly brace, no? Open and close curly brace. So ang ilalagay natin dito ay tatlong parameter. First, yung variable natin, which is x, containing the value 1, or no, in here, the first parameter ang ilalagay natin dito ay our variable with some value, okay? So lagyan natin dito, for example, value 1. Okay, next class, the syntax. Let me just check here the syntax of the for loops, no? Okay, the next syntax, okay. To include the next two syntax, the next two parameters, no? We put a semicolon here, no? Tapos sa gitna, ang ilalagay natin ay yung condition, ano? That should be proven to be true para ma-execute yung codes, no? If proven to be false, then the looping would no longer commence, no? Or would stop. So let's try to put a condition. If lagyan natin, for example, if x is less than or equal to 10, ano? If x is less than or equal to 10, no? i-execute itong sunod na code na ilalagay natin dito. For example, echo, lagyan natin dito ay x, no? X. Lagyan natin ng breakline, ano? Para naman hindi dire-diretso. So, para malagyan natin ng breakline, which is an HTML tag function, we include it including the variable to a double quotation mark. Inside a double quotation mark. Tapos lagay natin dito yung breakline, br, okay. Ang mangyayari dito, class, ay magkakaroon tayo ng infinite looping, ano, kasi lagi namang 1 ang value nito, since laging 1, laging true, ano, kaya lagyan natin dito ng increment, no? Ang sunod, yung increment, x plus, meaning itong value na ito i-increment dito, ano? Una muna ito, i-compare dito, tapos dito, okay? I-compare yung information, yung value ni x dito sa condition, then the value of x would be incremented by 1, okay? I'm sorry, class. Gawin lang natin tong, let me just change 1, no? Let me just change 1 to 0, no? So if we save this, no? And if we run it here, so we have 0. So anong nangyari diyan, class? Una muna, in-echo si x, no? Which is 0, no? In-echo muna si x. Tapos si x, 0, kinompare dito. Si 0 is less than, than 10, nag-increment, no? So this is the next process. So naging 1 na ngayon. Si 0, si x incremented by 1, original value of x is 0, incremented by 1, naging 1, no? In-echo out si 1 here, no? Then, nag-loop lang siya ng nag-loop, no? Until yung value ni x will now prove this condition to be false. Kaya, titigil na siya sa 10, no? Kasi pag naging 11 pa siya, halimbawa 10 na dito, no? Naging increment pa ng isa, naging 11, no? Next time na i-compare siya dito, no? 11 is less than or equal to 10, the value would be false. So, tumigil na yung execution. Okay, so that's it now. And I will see you guys on the next video for our next topic.